Hi, I'm Shane.
I'm Kelsey.
And this is Dixie.
And we're LoveHut4Life.
And for 211 magical weeks, we've been traveling all over this country.
And for the past few weeks, we have been hanging out at Rose Mountain Farms in Lansing, North Carolina, and having an absolute blast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it. Be sure and comment below so that we know to be grateful for you. Oh, good morning, everyone. We are starting our week off where we left you at Rose Mountain Farms in Lansing, North Carolina, surrounded by a whole bunch of our friends. And this morning, we're starting our day off with new puppies. This is gonna be fun.
All right.
It's already starting to slip out. Okay. Everyone, meet Ezra. And who's down on the floorboard, guys?
Ellie Mae.
Oh, I love this place. So pretty out here. So, according to Anne, we can only love these adorable little fluff balls while they are in their fence because, like everybody on a farm, they have a job to do. I don't know if you guys know this about Great Pyrenees, but they are excellent protectors. And their job is to keep all of the goats and the donkey and the horse safe from the coyotes. Hard to believe those little cute things could run off a coyote. They'll be big soon, though. We stopped in to give Rosie and Gertrude some apples. I think we're making our way back down to the Love Hut and all of our other homes on wheels. It's cool to have the caravan together, y'all. And back to my little puppy as well. What are you doing in here, Shane?
Making spaghetti.
That's good. I'm hungry.
Jenny came over.
The black one's very vocal.
They're both black.
Well, the dark,
all black,
solid
yeah.
black ones. One with no red. That was the first one I picked out. I was like, oh, she's beautiful. I want that one for sure. I'll tell you the truth, guys. We have absolutely no idea what this week holds. But tonight holds going into town and seeing if we can make some hobo cash in the Astro van. Woo!
But I ain't scared. Get to know my heart. You don't know me. Well, you don't have to be the devil to take a dance.
Last night, Kelsey was in town in Lansing, which we are really growing to enjoy this little town. She was selling her gypsy wares at Primavera. I was resting here because me and Zach have a mission today. We're going to be helping Ann out and starting to build a new greenhouse for her to grow lettuce in. The problem is there's no way to get up to this greenhouse without walking, so me and Z are walking. Oh, this lady's so much stronger than I am. Well, we got as much done as we could, but I had the wrong dimensions for the building. I thought it was 22 foot wide and it was 20 foot wide. So we had to redo all the squaring, and the sun is setting because, you know, it's winter. So we're gonna go eat and get ready for dark, and we'll be back tomorrow. Zach, you wanna walk back up this hill tomorrow? Please? Please help. morning, everyone, and welcome to a fun-filled day on a mountainside in North Carolina. We're back at our tunnel project, or greenhouse, whatever you want to call it. And our buddy Dakota showed up last night and brought us a transit, but it is really not working well on this site. So we are continuing with our initial plan, which is to use line level, and that's what we're going to do. We squared this thing up the old-fashioned way, and we're going to level it the old-fashioned way too. Let's get this thing done.
Meanwhile, I am doing a little bit of rock hounding. There's quartz all over this farm. No impressive crystals yet, but I think it's coming.
Look, the puppies are already working. Don't worry, Creamsicle, you're safe now.
Oh, shit.
The guard dogs have called us. I like that this is halfway up the mountain. We still have halfway more to go. Will let it pet you? Will it let it pet you? Can you pet it?
Pet me, come on.
Oh.
Oh, sorry, buddy.
I can hear the guard dogs up there.
There's the goat. There's the goat.
Oh, there's a goat there too. A good stopping point. More to go. Almost there. Well, me and Zach have spent not a whole nother day. We got up here quite late. But we managed to reset the entire left side and get all the end caps square. And we are plumb tuckered. It's time to climb down the mountain. Are you tired? You look tired, man. Let's go find some snacks. Maybe Kelsey cooked for us.
Come on.
He's not gonna do it now. Fucking asshole. Kill me, bear.
Here, come on. Let's go. Run, bear, run. Come on. Come.
Oh, God. Here comes the fluffy train.
I'm so tired already.
I hope he doesn't tackle me. Hey, buddy. Yeah, hi.
It looks like you got a little thicker.
I found snacks.
Hey, look, Dixie, he's back.
Was she very concerned? Mm-hmm. We're all done.
And Mary's back too. Hey, Bear.
Did you get eggs?
I think he's very interested in the chickens.
No eggs. Well, they don't usually put them in the cart. I forgot that chair was even sitting there. I'm so glad you recorded me just at that point.
All right, y'all, it is time to go up the hill where, unfortunately, the cameras turn off. That's okay, though. We're going to have fun.
I'm so happy to not be walking up this thing. How about you, Zach? I'm tired of this hill today.
Yeah.
Guys, we had a whole lot of fun up that hill last night. And this morning, it's time for Shane and Zach to get back to work, but on a very, very different type of project. One that they know a little bit more about. Zach is having some issues with the electrical in one of my all-time favorite bands ever.
It's my seeing thing.
Hey guys, how's it going in here?
We are
fixing the wiring on the wagon. A lot of people have had their hands in this van, and it's really cool to be part of it every time.
One of my favorites on the road, for sure. Along with one of my favorite nomads.
Woo!
Mary is adding some beautiful artwork to the farm. Over here by the fruit market. The fruit stand that is completely set up on the honor system, which tells you a little bit about how awesome this town is. But people can just drive up the driveway and come through and pick some of these awesome vegetables. We got squash here, just about every type of seed that you can imagine. Fresh turmeric and garlic. I think those are some scrubs back there that she makes. What do you think, Bear? It's good eating around here, huh?
Where's your brother? Huh? Did he run off? Did he run off? Come on. Hi, come on. Come on. Hi.
Oh, sweet Ellie Mae. She's grown so much in just this week, y'all.
So pretty.
Oh, there he is. Papa. With the sheep.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Good boy. That's a good boy. What a boy.
Guys, I don't know if you know this, but we had absolutely no intentions of being here this long. That's okay, we kind of never do. But when we are surrounded by this many friends and family, it's pretty hard to leave. I think this parking lot of ours is gonna get even fuller this evening as we have a little friends Thanksgiving. How you doing over here, Shane?
Building things. They got nothing else to do.
We'll pack up eventually. Hey, Bear.
You know, North Carolina, where bamboo is firewood.
Right?
Hey, buddy. Are you ready for hobo dinners?
What's weird is this.
You're gonna need a bigger hand.
I could have warned him.
Yeah.
Look at her, what? What?
Who, me? I did nothing.
You're not threatening.
And then we got this. Do you ever come out of your phone and join the party or what?
I'm trying to stay awake.
Oh.
Well, if you keep on your phone, you won't stay awake.
I gave you this.
Seeing those, actually. I know, I saw her. I'm gonna take a picture and you're gonna be sorry.
Jesus Christ.
You're gonna be sorry.
She's doing her part.
She said when she drinks Fireball, her pants come off.
Every time I can't help it.
Guys, this has been such a fun few weeks. Now next week we're gonna hit the road, but we will always come back to Rose Mountain Farms. We want to say a big thank you to all of our chosen family and all of the awesome people in Lansing, including Ann Rose, for letting all of us hobos hang out as long as we have.
If you would like a different point of view into our life, maybe more still photos versus videos, check out our Facebook and Instagram under LoveHut4Life. While you're on it, you can even check out Rose Mountain Farms and Mac Photos.
That's right, guys. We'll be sharing links to both of them on our social medias throughout the week, so be sure and check that out. If you're looking to get a hold of this guy so he can build something awesome for you, then send us an email at lovehut4life@gmail.com. We can't wait to hear from you, and we will see you all next week. Peace out. Have a good one.
Bye, y'all.